And Bulldog from Triton, sounds like we have a lot of feedback on interphone. We'll stick with the airframe.
To actually do some, you know, this is a sweet jet, man. It's got some cool capes, but I think that's a good thing that we don't have to fight other people sometimes.
Got it. Copy. And 1-1 copies all, thanks.
Triton 1, Bulldog 1, that should be good for now.
Copy that, clear to disconnect.
Thank you.
You looking for right wing or?
I'll just go to left wing. I'll have my 3 and 4 rejoin to the right.
Copy that.
5-6. We'll get it. Yep.
I'll get his tail once he's off the boom.
Copy.
I figured as much.
You guys.
There's 30.
I'm at 10.
Like a star comet?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
So I got Whiskey, Charlie, Oscar, Mike, Echo, Tango.
Right, high.
And 1-1 copies all. Thanks for work. Fly safe. Seal.
Seal.
And 4 clear to start.
And 4 on the left wing or the right wing?
3 just cleared off, 4 is behind us, and then 1 and 2 left wing.
Copy.
Alright, receiver is moving.